हाँ तो बच्चों, आज हम क्लास 12 का फोर्थ चैप्टर डिटर्मिनेंट शुरू करेंगे। हम पढ़ेंगे कि डिटर्मिनेंट क्या है, डिटर्मिनेंट के यूजेस क्या हैं, डिटर्मिनेंट की प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है। डिटर्मिनेंट इज द स्पेशल फॉर्म ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स and all the square matrix convert into the determinants. First, determinant represented by that A or and read as determinant A. First of all, determinant of matrix order 1. Determinant Aij of order 1 by 1. Suppose determinant A equals to 4, order 1 equals to 4. Every determinant having a fixed value. Second, determinant of a matrix order 2. Suppose the matrix is A equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. Then convert into the determinant, then determinant A equals to A11, A12, A21, A. We can expand the determinant, and that is cross multiply of the elements of determinant. Start with the principal diagonal A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. For example, determinant A equals to 1, 2, 3, 8, and value of determinant is 1 into 8 minus 3 into 6, 8 minus 6 equals to 2. So we can find out the value of the determinant, and every determinant having a fixed value. After that, the determinant of a matrix order 3. Suppose the matrix A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. And now we convert into the determinant, then determinant A equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. And we can expand this determinant also with any row or column. First of all, we expand with along with row R1. Row R1 is that A11, A12, A13. Then A11, that is A11. This row or column elements are eliminated, and remaining are A122, A23, A32 and A33. A22, A23, A32 and A33. After minus. And second element of the first row is A12, then A12, and now again elements of R1 and C2, column number 2 and eliminated. Then remaining is A21, A23, A31 and A33. A21, A23, A31 and A33. Last element is A13. Now we eliminate the elements of the R1 and column number 3, and remaining are only the element A21, A22, A31 and A32, and write as it is. A21, A22, A31, A32. Again we have used same pattern, A11 and cross multiply. Start with always principal diagonal. A22, A33 minus A32 into A23 minus A12, A21 into A33 minus A31, A23 plus A13 into A21 into A32 minus A22, A31. And if the values are real, then we get a real value of the determinant. Now we check, the first sign is plus, second is minus and third is again plus. अब हम कैसे इनको साइन देते हैं, उसका एक पैटर्न है. या तो हम ये याद रखते हैं, प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस. कोई भी दो साइन एक जैसे नहीं होते. पहला प्लस है तो सेकंड माइनस है, इसके नीचे प्लस है, इधर माइनस है, फिर प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस, अल्टरनेटली साइन चेंज होते रहते हैं. स्टैंडर्ड मेथड जो साइन का है वो क्या है, जैसे फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के, अभी हमने एक्सपेंड किस रो के किया था, R1 के. R1 का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट क्या है, A11. A11 में हम लिखते हैं 1 to the power 1 plus 1. सेकेंड एलिमेंट क्या था, A to the power A12. Now sign of the A12 is 1 to the power 1 plus 2. Third element A13 and sign of A13 is 1 to the power 1 plus 3. 1 square 1 minus 1 to the power minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1, or minus 1 to the power 4 equals to 1. If the sum of the numbers is even, then plus 1, if odd, then minus 1. Now we have give the sign according to this, that is called standard method. For example, this 3 minus 4 5, 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. Sign according to this: plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus, otherwise this, as you like. Now expand along with R1. The first element of R1 is 3, then 3 into and determinant all the element of R1 and 3 in the C1 also, and all the element of the first column are eliminated, and after that remaining is 1 minus 2 3 and 1. Right, as it is: 1 minus 2 3 1. Second element is minus 4, sign is minus, and minus 4 into. Now all the element of the first row and second column eliminated, and remaining is 1 minus 2 2 and 1. 1 minus 2 2 1. Third element is 5, and element of third column and R1 are eliminated, and remaining is 1 1 and 2 3. And solid: 3 into 1 plus 6 minus minus plus 4, 1 plus 4 plus 5 into 3 minus 2. 7 3s are 21 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 5, and sum is 46. The value of determinant is 46. We can expand with any row or column. We can expand any determinant with any row or column, then value of determinant is same. Now we try to with column number 1 C1, and first element is 3, or expand along with C1. All the element of C1 is 3 1 and 2. First, all the element of C1 are 3 1 and 2. First element is 3 3, and same process. Element of the first column and first row are eliminated, and after that remaining are 1 minus 2 3 1. Second element is 1, then minus 1. Sign according to this: plus minus plus. Minus 1 and element of the first column and then minus 4 5 3 and 1. And third element of the column number 1 is 2, then plus 2, and element of the first column and first row eliminate, third row eliminated, then remaining are minus 4 5, 1 minus 2, and solve. 3, 1 plus 6 minus 1 minus 4 minus 15 plus 2, 8 minus 5, 21 plus 19 plus 6, and value of determinant A is again 46. In the both cases, the value of determinant is same, 46 and 46. Expand along with R1 or along with C1. Next example. Four, 6. Then find the value of x. Expand. Same method. X into x, x square. 18 to the 36 minus 36. 9 for the 36 minus 36. Then x square minus 36 equals to 0. Then x square equals to 36. Then x equals to plus minus 6. Then we can find the value of x in such a type of the examples. And value of x is plus minus 6. Next. Example number 3. 2, 4, 6, 5. Find the value of determinant. Again same method. 5 to the 10 minus 24 equals to minus 14. Now, properties of determinant. What is the properties of determinant? First, if row and column of determinant are interchanged, then value of determinant remains same. If row and column are interchanged, then value of determinant remains same. Suppose the determinant A is 3, 4, 5, 7. Value of determinant is 21 minus 20 equals to 1. After interchange, 3, 4 and 5, 7. 21 minus 20 equals to 1. Then property number 1, row and column are interchanged, then value of determinant remains same. First row convert into the column. In the matrix we find the transpose of the matrix A. Then we can say the determinant A, value of determinant A equals to value of determinant A dash. Property number 2. Property number 2. If elements of any row are interchanged, then sign of determinant change. अगर हम किसी रो या कॉलम के एलिमेंट को रो या कॉलम से ही इंटरचेंज करते हैं तो डिटर्मिनेंट का साइन चेंज हो जाता है। जैसे यहाँ +1 है तो यहाँ आफ्टर चेंजिंग क्या आएगा, -1। सेम एग्जांपल, डिटर्मिनेंट ए इज 3, 4, 5, 7 and 21 minus 20 equals to 1. After interchanging the two rows 5, 7, 3, 4, then value is 20 minus 21 equals to -1. +1 or -1. If any two rows or two columns are interchanged, then sign of determinant is changed. Property number 3. If any two rows or two columns are identical, then value of determinant is 0. If any two rows or are identical, then value of determinant is 0. A determinant A is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, -2. R1 and R2 are identical, then value of determinant is 0, and we have used this property. Next, property number 4 is if all the element of any row or column are 0, then value of determinant is 0. If all the element of any row or column are 0, then value of determinant is 0. Example, determinant A 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, -5, 6, -8. Then value of determinant is 0. We expand along with R1, then all are the 0, then value of determinant is 0. Property number 5. Sum of or all element of a row or column of a determinant are expressed as the sum of two terms, then determinant can be expressed in the sum of two determinants. It means if the sum of the elements of any two rows, any row or column written in the form of the sum of the two terms, then we can write in the form of sum of two determinants. For example, determinant A is A plus lambda 1, B plus lambda 2, C plus lambda 3, D, E, F, G, H, L. This determinant can be written as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, L plus lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, D, E, F, G, H, L. Property number 6. We can use all the elementary transformation rules also in determinant. Suppose determinant A is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, L. C1 replaced by C1 plus C2. It means C1 replaced by C1 plus C2. We find the sum of column number 1 or column number 2. Corresponding elements. The corresponding element of A is B, D is E and G is H. Then we can write A plus B, D plus E, G plus H or B, E, H, F, C, F or L, or R1 replaced by R1 plus 3R2. All the element of R2 multiplied by 3 and add in corresponding elements of R1, and R1 is changed. A plus 3D, B plus 3E, C plus 3F, D, E, F, G, H, L. These are the properties of the determinant. Now we come to the questions, problems, how to solve the problem.